See, we will go to the people and tell people how the BJP, Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah have not allowed development to take place in Puducherry. Our government under Narayan Swamy did a very good job. But so much more good we could have done. But why we could not do was because they didn't cooperate. So much of work, they didn't allow it to happen. Projects didn't allow it to start. And they've gone against the development of Puducherry. Before UPA, when UPA government was there, NR Congress was there, Chief Minister was Mr. Rangaswamy. How much cooperation they got from UPA? How much of funds he got? How much of development he could do? Because UPA government didn't do this revenge politics. Manmohan Singh didn't do revenge politics. But Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah, they only do this. So this is a big issue we'll take to the people, that BJP is the force which has worked against Puducherry people. And secondly, toppling government, giving money, using all agencies, income tax, enforcement directorate, CBI, threatening our MLAs, saying if you don't join us, we will book cases against you. Income tax case is there. We won't. If you come join us, we will close the case. All these things they are doing. ED. So is this the way to do in democracy? Go to people. If people will support you, get elected. But everywhere in India today, in Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, in Goa, northeastern states, they tried in Rajasthan, now in West Bengal doing the same thing. What is this? This is not democracy, this is mafia. So I would say the BJP under Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah is doing mafia raj in this country.
Sir, but the BJP are saying that we are not threatening anyone.
Now everybody knows the truth. Why will they go? So many of them for 5 years after having been here. Some of them have been ministers with the best portfolio possible. Number 2 position. Why will he go? And what about MLAs? See, I know for a fact that Mr. Amit Shah himself has operated all these things.
But the MLAs and ministers are saying
They will.
not working. Then
See, government has worked. See, if they didn't work, they should have left 1 year back, 2 years back. Why leave when the elections are 1 month away? If Mr. Namashivam was not happy with our Congress, why should he enjoy it till 5 years? Isn't he a traitor? Isn't he a most corrupt person then? After enjoying for 5 years, then when the time for election is coming, he is going. If he was really a man, then he would not have, he would have left this position long back. 2 years back only he should have left the Congress. If he had principles, you should have left 2 years back, not today. Today it means, it shows what kind of a person he is. Mr. Maladi, it shows what kind of a person he is. These people are unprincipled. And today they have the guts to come and say, government didn't do it. You are the minister. So these are all. See, people are not fools. Common man knows. That's why Mr. Namashivam himself doesn't want to contest in his own constituency now. Common man knows all these people, and they will teach these people a good lesson.
sir, what is the opinion of Tamil Sai nowadays? Tamil Sai government.
See, I don't want to comment. LG is LG. I hope she will not do any. She will not repeat what Kiran Bedi was doing. Now she should conduct the election properly and keep the administration without supporting anyone. It should be a neutral administration and conduct the election properly. That's what we expect. And she's from a very respectable family, and she's a known person. I hope she will not behave like the previous LG, and she will run it in a good way. I'm hoping that she will do that.
So the coming election, what is the
Coming election, see, we will do better than last time. Today, BJP, AIDMK, NR Congress, I don't know whether they have an alliance. I don't know what they are going to do. But and there is no trust. It is only based on fear, based on money, based on power. There is no ideological trust. There is no ideological connection. Nobody, it's not an alliance. They've just come together to gain something, not to do anything good. So, I don't think, Puducherry has never accepted BJP. That kind of politics of BJP, they will not. And today, what has BJP done? Today, every man is suffering, no? Aren't you suffering today? How much are you paying for your petrol every day? How much are you paying for diesel? How much are you paying for gas? What about the price rises? What about economy? What about jobs? Where is all that? What is all that? What is the BJP government done? So, no achievements. And Puducherry people have never supported BJP, and BJP by doing all these things has, I think, we will win by a much bigger margin than last time. I'm very confident.
Sir, any idea to talk on the alliance?
Alliance? No. See, we are in an alliance.
Any idea?
NR Congress is with BJP. And I'll give you one more prediction. If NR Congress and BJP go together, NR Congress is finished. BJP will finish NR Congress, BJP will finish Rangaswamy.
Sir, if they stand individual, then
That I don't know. See, they are together. They are till now together. They went together for the vote of no confidence. They are doing meetings together. So it looks to be like they are together. But ultimately, it is the end of Mr. Rangaswamy with BJP. His political career, the BJP only will finish. Okay.